Shifting tracks now, in an interesting development, the Mumbai Police's Economic Offences Wing has now given a clean sheet to Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar and his wife Sunetra Pawar and cousin Rohit Pawar in the State Cooperative Bank scam case. Now, the agency filed a closure report in January which states that none of the Pawars were part of the alleged corruption. The report also further says that the bank did not incur any loss by giving loan to sugar mills and also other companies. The allegation initially against the Pawars was that the companies linked to them took illegal loans from the bank, and of course, this was used for money laundering as well. While Ajit Pawar is the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sunetra Pawar is NDA's Baramati candidate, and Rohit Pawar, on the other hand, belongs to the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, and all of them now have gotten a clean sheet. And the opposition, of course, says that this is, of course, a case of the NDA's washing machine.
ईओडब्ल्यू शाखा ने अजीत दादा पवार की पत्नी सुनेत्रा पवार जी को, जो कि बारामती से लोकसभा का चुनाव भी लड़ रही हैं, उनको आज क्लीन चिट दे दी। किस केस में दे दी? जो 25,000 करोड़ रुपए का घोटाले का आरोप लगा था, किसी और ने नहीं लगाया था, प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लगाया था कि घोटालेबाज परिवार है, और आज उनको उस मामले में क्लीन चिट मिल गई।
My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Shweta, of course, the opposition has continuously maintained that the NDA washing machine, as they call it, has, of course, given clean sheets to every neta that has joined the ranks. And we are seeing, of course, a similar thing happen as far as Ajit Pawar's case is also concerned. Give us details as to what the closure report says, and also what are the grounds on which the allegations were initially made, and what are the grounds on which the closure report has been filed.
Well, absolutely, Ashish. Let me first begin with what the case exactly is all about. Now, across Maharashtra, there have been several sugar mills that were apparently owned by family members of Pawars. You name Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar, or uncle of Ajit Pawar, even Rohit Pawar for that matter. There were a couple of names, highly politician names, those who were involved in the case. Now, it has been first stated by ED that there was irregularity and illegality in the transactions, that the loan which was taken by Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank to the sugar mills, they have massive irregularity. Point number one. Then it comes to the EOW. The EOW also carried out their probe, and in the closure report, when it comes to the report of EOW, massive conclusions have been made, which is very contradictory to what the probe was initiated by ED says. Now, point number one, the EOW closure report says that there has been no financial losses that were caused to the bank. Point number two, it says that the amount of 1,343 crore have been already given back, that is paid back to the bank. Point number three, they are mentioning in their closure report that there have been no irregularities that has been found to the respondents, which names Sunetra Pawar and Ajit Pawar and Rohit Pawar. Clearly, it's a clean sheet given by EOW. Remember, this is going to be conflicted when it comes to ED. Now, when ED starts the case, they cannot carry out the case without the offence which was already registered. But EOW case is very much different. Time and again, opposition has been hitting out that this is the purposeful thing which has been done
absolutely,
by
absolutely,
NDA
Shweta,
members,
running
so
short on time on the bulletin, but like you rightly pointed out there, a lot of similarities as far as the cases are concerned, and also the timing of the closure report is something that is raking up the politics in this matter. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that. But